Usually, vlogs are loud, energetic, may intro music, what's up guys, ganon. But this one is different. Instead of a usual vlog style, I made it into a simple film para mas feel nyo naman hindi lang yung napanood. So, this was filmed during my work immersion at Division Office. So, enjoy the film habang kinikwento ko paano nyo grow. Kahit medyo stress, okay. So, medyo stress, medyo very. Ganon.
Dumating ka na sa dulo ng hangganan.
First few days, honestly, parang pressure agad eh. Yung environment, yung people, no fixed position. So, kailangan ready ka kahit sa anong task. And yes, na-stress ako. Kasi, I couldn't do it. But because I wanted to do everything right. May moment talaga na nakatitig lang ako sa screen pretending I understand everything. Pero sa utak ko, wait, ano ulit? Ay, pero wait lang kaya di nyo nakikita yung mga ginagawa ko ngayon. Kasi sa loob ng department namin, strictly bawal mag-record. So, ayun lang. Pero dito sa case na to, kumakain kami, so nag-film na lang ako. And every time naman na nag-film kami, nagpapaalam naman kami. So, ito yung mga outing clips na nasa loob kami. The biggest lesson wasn't about the files, reports, or tasks. It was about people talking to different personalities, adjusting to different working styles. Doon ako mas nag-improve. I learned that communication isn't speaking. It was listening, it's asking questions, it's being confident enough to say, pwede po ba, pa-explain ulit. And every small interaction with confidence, every correction made me sharper. I used to think growth means being skilled. Like, kapag marunong ka na agad, kapag perfect na agad yung output mo, kapag wala kang mali, that's growth. But being here made me realize something different. Growth isn't about being the smartest in the room. It's about being willing to learn the room. And there were days na I felt pressured, days I overthought small mistake, days na para bang ang bigat na lahat ng nararamdaman ko, lahat ng responsibility kahit immersion pa lang. But I realized that feeling, it means that you actually care. And growth is showing up when you're unsure, it's asking questions kahit nahiya ka, it's accepting feedback without taking it personally, and most importantly, it's understanding that improvement doesn't happen overnight. You don't grow in comfort, you grow in conversations, you grow in corrections, and you grow in the moments where you almost doubt yourself, but continue anyway. And maybe that's the biggest lesson I learned here. You're not hiding, you're not just building skills, you're building your whole character. So yeah, this isn't your usual vlog. No crazy transition, no loud reaction, just real moments, real growth, and yes, a little bit of stress for character development. Thanks for watching.